This is the LG VU Plus GR700, and in this video we're going to show you how to take it apart so you can repair your phone. First, remove the back cover and battery from the phone if you haven't already done so, and also the SIM card. Next, using a small Phillips screwdriver available at repairsuniverse.com, remove the screws as being shown here now in the video. Next, using a safe pry tool, release the clips around the side of the phone. Once the clips are released, you can remove the back from the phone. Don't worry if the volume button or camera buttons fall out from the back case. These can easily be popped. Next, lift off the top cover from the phone. This will release quite easily. Next, using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw as being shown here now in the video. Next, pull the motherboard slightly away from the rest of the phone as being shown here now in the video, and this will give you access to a ribbon cable underneath. Using a pry tool, release this ribbon. It's just a pop connector, so it will easily pop off. Once done, you can release the motherboard. Next, using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws as being pointed out here now in the video. There is 8 in total. Once all the screws are removed, push through the ribbon flex cable and release the spring, and then remove the keyboard from the rest of the phone. Next, remove the 4 Phillips screws as being pointed out here. Once the screws have been removed, pop out the spring as being shown here in the video. Next, using a safe pry tool, release the clips along the sides of the phone as being shown here now in the video. Once the clips are released, you'll be able to separate. Using a safe pry tool, release the pop connector at the bottom of the phone. Next, open the jaw clip using the safe pry tool, and then lift the LCD screen out and remove from the phone. You can now replace the LCD screen.